What's up YouTube, it's your boy Ben with the TV2 and today I got another unboxing for you guys. Now it's been a little while since I've actually done a video. That's because I'm now living in a flat up in London. I'm living in Holloway Zone 2. This is the lounge here. I will have to do like a full video and stuff like that. But I'll show you some of the basics. We got some free weird lesbian artwork I picked up off the side of a street. Probably covered in piss and whatnot, but it's a bit of a steal if you ask me. We got the blue light because it's the Night TN's video, and then we've also got our resident lion, Lengman Alf. What are you saying, Lengman Alf, my G? Yes, put it there. Yes, rah. Anyway, the reason you guys are here is because we are doing a little unboxing today, and that unboxing is for the Nike Air Max Plus TN SEs. It's been a little while since I've actually copped a pair of trainers, but I was well in need of getting a new pair, so I decided I'd go for the Nike SEs. These are in a UK 10, US 11, and obviously for anyone that knows TNs, they're just classic G trainers. You cannot go wrong with them. They're a staple of UK chavs, like myself. But anyway, we'll get on with the unboxing. As you can see here, ooh, firstly hit them with the colours. First thing I liked about this shoe when I was looking around, I've got black trainers in the past. I've got quite a few like standard black trainers, but the blue tick on these set these apart. I was just thinking with the blue tick, hold it up to the light, look at that. It's just fresh. And then you've got the little blue detailing with Nike Air on the top there. They're quite skinny trainers as well, so if you've got skinny feet like me, that works quite nicely. And they really look quite good when they're on. Really amazing detail as well. I'm filming off my phone today just to help catch this detail because I think it's better quality, but you can see the air bubbles down there and you can see it's got this thin layer above with Nike sort of embroidered in. And all of the way around, this shoe, I mean, I've had a pair of Air Max 95s that last me sort of the best part of 2 years. These are going to last as long, you know, if not longer than that. And then you've got the additional detail on the floor, like I haven't even worn them yet. As I said, this is fresh out of the box. You've got TN there. Little air bubble detailing near the bubble there, and then on the back as well you've got the TN Airs that follows through that transition of that rubbery stuff, and it links up really nicely with the upper part of the shoe. I'll get the other part here as well to get that out and see. This is the left side of the foot. So as you can see here, really clean, really fresh trainers. I'd say they fit fairly true to size, but try them on because they are expensive. And yeah, as I mentioned, they were my most expensive pair of trainers I've ever copped at about 135 British pounds. So they're good trainers, and I'll tell you what, if you ask me, rather than getting some clapped out pair of trainers for £95, £100, the Air Max 1s or 95 something else, go a bit premium, spend that extra bit of money. But yeah guys, like I said, it's good value. Good, even though they're £135, which is huge for trainers. These are very premium, you know, they're worth the money. If you can afford them, cop them, they'll do you good. I'll get an on-feet done for you guys now, and I'll try and get some more videos done in the next 6 months to a year.
Yeah, nice one, bruv, yeah.
But yeah, thanks again for watching, and peace out.
You can vibe with me if you ain't playing, but that weed is way too loud, I can't hear what the fuck you're saying, no. You can vibe with me if you ain't playing, but that weed is way too loud, I can't hear what the fuck you're saying, no. You can vibe with me, girl, and you know it, but that pussy way too wet, I think I'm losing all my focus, so I'm high vibe, make me feel like that pussy good, make me feel like that pussy good, make me feel like that pussy good, make me feel like take a blue pill, what it feel like.